Hello, my charmed ones, and welcome back for my fifth and final installment of Vlogmas 2021. Today is a wonderful day because I'm cooking my favorite pasta sauce for Christmas. I usually only make this during Christmas time, and I thought you'd like to watch. So just to start off, while I make my pasta sauce, and this is very important, I put on my Italian cooking soundtrack on Spotify. Now, I fully believe that one of the secret elements that makes my sauce so good is that I play authentic Italian music to the sauce. So if you also want to play some awesome tunes to your pasta sauce while you make it, I'll leave the link to the Spotify playlist in the description of this video. Now, on to the recipe. I've been making this pasta sauce for a number of years. I got the original recipe that I used from my stepmother, but she doesn't really write her recipes down. She does them all from memory. So there wasn't like a solid recipe that we were following. I would just call her every year for how to make it, and she would rattle off some ingredients and processes. So this was a pretty inefficient way to cook. So I ended up taking my notes from her and searching for a similar recipe online, and I actually found one that gave me a solid process and, precise measurements, which can come in handy while you're cooking. That recipe is from Allison Roman, and I'll leave the link to it in the description as well in case you want to make this sauce yourself. So the rest of this video footage is me following along with the recipe. It takes me roughly 30 minutes to get all of the ingredients properly assembled into the pot. And then once everything is in, it takes me about 2 hours of a slow simmer before it's ready. Now, I think that just sitting here and watching me cook is a little bit boring of a video concept. So I also want to talk you through an activity that I like to do at the end of the year to help me manifest what I want for the new year. Your thoughts and intentions are very powerful. And one of my ongoing rituals for success is getting in touch with my vision for my future, imagining myself in that time and place, and journaling out the details of that life as if I'm currently living it. This activity is known as future writing. And today we're going to write a letter or a journal entry to ourselves, but written from the point of view of us a year from now. So get out a notebook and a pen or open your notes app of choice because I want to give you a process and prompts to help you with this activity. So let's get started. First of all, close your eyes and put your hands over your heart. I want you to take a deep breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And hold that breath at the top for 3, 2, 1, and release that breath with a sigh. Right now, I want you to imagine what you want your life to be on December 31st, 2022. So we're talking roughly a year from now. It's New Year's Eve. 2022 is coming to a close, and you're writing in your journal about all of the wonderful things that happened to you in the last year. First of all, tell me where you are while you're writing. Are you writing from your home? From a new home, perhaps? From a lounge chair at a beach resort? If you could be anywhere in that moment, where are you? Now, tell me who is with you. Who are the people who are spending time with you during this holiday? Your inner circle, your family, the people you deeply love and care for. Even if you don't know who these people are yet, tell me about them and why they're there with you. Next, think about the year that has just passed, that brought you to this moment in time. What amazing things happened to get you to this place? What achievements were met? What goals did you accomplish? What deliberate actions or choices did you make to become the person that you are in that moment? What are you grateful for that happened or didn't happen in 2022. Finally, tell me how it feels to be her, to be in that life. Does it feel like a dream? Does it feel empowering? Do you feel unstoppable? Do you feel like the world is filled with endless abundance and possibility? Don't just think and write about what that situation feels like, but I also want you to feel it in your body right now. Hold on to that feeling as you write it out. Spend a few minutes, at the very least, in that feeling and in that energy right now. So what you've just done is opened a window in your mind to a potential future that you have access to. If you were able to see it in that vision, you are able to bring it to fruition. In fact, getting clear on what exactly it is that you want is the first step in manifesting it. And then the next step is feeling it. So if you were able to get into those feelings, guess what? Your vision is officially on order to God, Spirit, the universe, and God doesn't fail. Nothing is impossible for Spirit. The universe is always expanding into greater and greater possibilities. So your job now, moving on from this activity, is to get into the feeling of this vision as often as you can over the next year. If you can spend 3 minutes a day seeing the vision in your mind and feeling it in your body now and moving forward for the next year, you're programming your mind and your energy to magnetize yourself to that outcome. No matter how far off you think that vision is from where you currently are right now, it does not matter. And it's none of your concern how any of this will happen. Your job is simply to stay true to that vision, to feel it, to trust and anticipate it, and of course, to make space in your life for it. You need to live the next year knowing that outcome is on its way this year. And it will take the whole year to get to you, but it's going to be there by December 31st, so long as you stay the course. I hope this activity helps you get clear on what you desire to bring to fruition in 2022. I hope you follow this process as often as possible in 2022. And I can't wait to see all the wonderful things you manifest this year because you believed in your vision and in a power greater than yourself that is willing to bring what you want to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your support of my content, products, and work in 2021. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. And I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you and yours. See you in 2022, charmed ones!